2 words on your insurance card can decide whether you pay $25 or $200 for the exact same visit. Here's what they mean.
I'm Maya, and today we're making in-network and out-of-network simple.
Your insurance plan has a list of doctors, hospitals, and pharmacies it has agreements with. That list is called a network.
When a provider is in-network, it means they've agreed to accept your insurance's negotiated price as payment in full.
So for a visit, you usually just pay your copay or coinsurance, say $25, and your insurer handles the rest at the discounted rate.
An out-of-network provider has no agreement with your plan. They haven't agreed to those negotiated prices.
That usually means you'll pay a lot more, sometimes the full charge, which could be $200 or more for the same visit.
Out-of-network providers can also balance. In-network means lower, predictable costs. Out-of-network usually means higher costs and the risk of surprise charges. Here's the key exception. Emergency care is generally covered at in-network rates, even if the hospital is out-of-network, thanks to the No Surprises Act. So before you book a visit or procedure, check your insurer's provider directory to confirm the doctor is in-network. And if you're referred to a specialist, double-check them too. A referral doesn't guarantee they're in-network. Money you pay out-of-network often doesn't count toward your in-network deductible or out-of-pocket maximum, so it can really add up.
Quick recap. In-network providers have agreed prices, so you pay less.
Out-of-network providers cost more and may balance bill you.
Always check your provider directory before a visit.
I'm Maya. If this helped, hit subscribe. Let's make insurance simple.